Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be diving into how to set business hours in Vagaro. Now, I know you might be thinking, why do I need to know this? Well, let's face it, your business hours are one of the first things potential clients see, and they can make a big difference in whether or not someone chooses to book an appointment with you. So, if you're ready to learn how to set up your business hours in Vagaro, stick around. Before we get started, let's talk about why it's important to set your business hours in Vagaro. There are a few reasons. It helps you avoid double booking appointments. When you have your business hours set, Vagaro won't allow you to book appointments outside of those hours. This helps you avoid double booking appointments and ensures that you have enough time to see each client. It helps you manage your time more effectively. Knowing your business hours can help you manage your time more effectively. You can schedule appointments during your peak hours and avoid scheduling appointments during times when you're not available. It helps you give your clients a better experience. When your business hours are clear, it makes it easier for your clients to book appointments. This can lead to a better overall experience for your clients. Now that we know why it's important to set your business hours in Vagaro, let's get started. Step 1. Log in to your Vagaro account. If you don't have a Vagaro account, you can create one for free. Step 2. Click on the Settings tab. The Settings tab is located in the top right corner of your screen. Step 3. Click on Business Hours. The Business Hours tab is located in the left sidebar. Step 4. Enter your business hours. Enter your business hours for each day of the week. You can also set different hours for different days of the week. Step 5. Click on Save. Once you're done entering your business hours, click on Save. Your business hours are now set,